Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Welcome to our video on soy milk guide. Today, we'll explore what soy milk is, how it tastes and why so many people love it. Whether you're vegan, lactose intolerant, or just curious, this video will give you everything you need to know. If you walk down any grocery aisle today, you see cartons of plant milk everywhere. Almond, oat, coconut, pea, and of course soy milk. Many people pick it up because they are lactose intolerant, eat a vegan diet, want to cut back on dairy, or are just curious. Soy milk is a smooth drink made from soybeans and water. It looks a lot like cow's milk, and for many people it fills the same role in coffee, cereal, and cooking. This video walks through what soy milk is, how it tastes, what the nutrition looks like, and the possible health benefits and risks. It also offers simple tips on how to choose a good carton and use soy milk in everyday meals. Soy milk basics: what it is, how it is made, and how it tastes. Before digging into nutrition or health, it helps to know what you are actually pouring into your glass. What exactly is soy milk? Soy milk is a drink made from whole soybeans and water. The beans are soaked, blended with water, then strained so you are left with a smooth, white liquid. Most store soy milk is also fortified, which means companies add vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. This helps it match some of the nutrition of cow's milk. People use soy milk as a common replacement for dairy milk because it has similar protein per cup. It works in many of the same recipes. It fits vegan and dairy-free diets. You can buy soy milk in cartons, or make your own at home with dried soybeans, a blender and a strainer. How soy milk is made in simple steps. Soak dry soybeans in water until they soften. Blend the soaked beans with fresh water. Cook the blended mixture to improve flavor and safety. Strain it to remove the pulp, called okara. Add salt, flavor, sugar, and vitamins or minerals if desired. Homemade soy milk often has a bit more texture and a stronger bean taste. It is usually not fortified with calcium or vitamins unless you add them yourself. Store brands tend to be smoother and more consistent. What does soy milk taste like and how does it compare to dairy milk? Plain soy milk tastes mild, slightly beany, and a bit nutty. The texture is usually creamy, especially compared with many other plant milks. Flavor can change a lot by brand and style. Unsweetened soy milk tastes more neutral and less sweet. Vanilla soy milk is sweeter, with a dessert-like flavor. Chocolate soy milk tastes like a lighter chocolate drink and is usually higher in sugar. In coffee, soy milk can taste smooth, but some brands may curdle in very hot or acidic coffee. Barista-style soy milk is made to foam well and hold up in lattes. On cereal or oatmeal, it feels similar to low-fat dairy milk. In baking and sauces, you can usually swap soy milk for cow's milk in a 1-to-1 ratio without major changes. Soy milk nutrition, benefits, and possible side effects. Thanks for watching part 1 of our soy milk guide. You now know the basics and how soy milk is made. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned for part 2, where we dive into nutrition, health benefits, and simple ways to use soy milk every day. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.